Elliot Grinch.
All right, what's going on, everyone? Elliot Grinch here, back with another LSPDFR GTA 5 tutorial. And what I'm going to be showing you today is downloading Fivem resources or interiors and adding them to single-player games. Like, okay, so the method actually works 8 out of 10 times. I'm going to put it like that. I was able to place a few interiors into my games where they load and work, and some of them load exactly how the creator wanted them to, and some of them, like I said, some of the textures were messed up, or the collision was still there, various reasons. But 8 out of 10 times you get the proper interior. So we're going to use one for Pillbox, and as you can see, Pillbox is all destroyed. I wanted to show you the before, and then we'll see what the after looks like. And I will have the links down below for the for the mod that we're using today for the interior, as well as for the links for the stuff that you should download that I recommend. Okay, so let's get out of here. So we'll exit out the game, and we're on my desktop. Okay, let's close this out. All right, so I have things pretty much set up. Okay, let me get out of that. All right, so here's where we're going to be starting. So this will be the interior that we'll be installing, which is for Pillbox, where we were just at. And as you can see, it's all clean. They put a little doorway, reception area, lighted, is lit. And everything is looking normal. That's how it's supposed to look, right? So this is where I go for a lot of the resources, Fivem resources. I go here. The link is up top. forum.cfx.re/c/development/releases. So there's a lot of stuff that you probably already seen. These before the creator creates a single player version, they usually have a Fivem version, which is for servers. When you're doing multiplayer on servers, a lot of the modders cater to the Fivem players, to the servers. So a lot of stuff that you may notice, like this was on GTA 5 as a single player now, MLO. You'll see a lot of the mods that you see on GTA 5, LSPDFR, GTA police mods, various other sites. You'll see them here, usually first before anywhere else. But anyway, so this is where I'm getting the resources for interior map, Pillbox Medical Center, top floor. So you're going to download that. Usually the link is at the top or somewhere at the bottom below the pictures. You'll be able to hover over it with your cursor, and you download that. Then you're going to need Open4. This is how we're going to be able to alter the files and place files inside the game. Menu, I use Menu for teleporting, to teleport to the location quickly, because I load up most of the time in GTA, LSPDFR, and I'm in various places. So just to teleport quickly, I use Menu. So with Menu, you'll be transferred here to GitHub, and you just download the most recent one, which is 1.3.0. Okay, and then this I recommend, because I was using folders from other single player, from other modders who created, a single player game interior for single player game use. I would use their folder, and I would just alter the folders, but this actually creates the folder that you'll need with everything already put in place. So all you have to do is just drop the files into the folder, and I will show you how to do that and where I place each file. I just kind of copied from other creators who created the single player game use of their interiors or downloadable content. So I will show you that. So make sure you download this. Like I said, I'll have the link down below in the description. DLC Pack Creator 1.1. All right, so this stuff I've already, pretty much downloaded, or I have it installed on my PC already. So I'm not going to redo that. But this is the DLC Pack Creator. This would be the exe or application file that you'll double click. Once you double click on that, you will get this. So as you can see, I was already messing around. I was messing around with an interior I found on Fivem that I, didn't work out. The textures did not work out. They weren't. It wasn't pretty much crafted to be used on a single player game. So I removed it. But anyway, so like I said, 8 out of 10 times it should work. But anyway, we're going to do the pillbox, and I have that already set up. I've actually already I have the DLC already created, but I'm going to reinstall it just so I can show you how to do it. My method. So anyway, we're gonna open up Open4. Once you have Open4 open, we're gonna go into edit mode, and we're going to go into our mods folder. So if you don't have one, create one. Do not, it's up to you, but I don't recommend messing with the original files. Okay, use the mod folder. So then we go to X60. Excuse me. We go to update X64 DLC packs, and we'll be here. So as you can see, like this one, this is from Fivem. This is interior. It puts a park. It opens up. It adds an interior to the park ranger spot on LSPDFR at that location. This adds an interior sheriff department in Grapeseed. This is the police station on Del Perro Beach at the boardwalk. This adds an interior. Has a collision issue, but you can still walk inside and you'll see the interior. And I think that's it for this game. But those were the ones I actually added, and I use them for my role playing with LSPDFR. So anyway, moving on. So once you download that file, you'll have this one. Don't worry about the fixed pillbox door. That's actually for Fivem use. That's specifically for the server, for a server. But anyway, once you extract the pillbox raw, also you should use I use 7-zip to extract the files. Because sometimes sometimes even though it looks like a raw file, WinRAR is not able to extract it. So I use 7-zip. That was another program I should have told you guys to download. But if you don't already have it, download 7-zip for extraction. All right. So once you extract the raw or the file, you get this. All right. Don't worry about these. We don't need them. We're gonna go into the stream folder. And these are the Fivem resources. This would be what you would drop into your server config folder if you were working off of a Fivem server. But we need these. These are the resource folders that we need. So what I choose to do is I just go ahead and name the DLC folder the same as what the developer put. I'll just put pillbox. Makes everything simple in the world, right? So it's going to be a map. You could use this also to create, convert Fivem vehicles as well. So you have vehicle and map. So we're going to do a map, and we're going to press create DLC. It'll ask us where we want to place it at. Place the folder. I'm going to put it on my desktop. Successfully created. Take a look, and we got the pillbox folder. Bam. So we're going to drop this into the DLC location, pillbox. I'm going to delete this because once we have the file, what I do is once I have the files placed in the right area, right location, then I extract this whole folder back onto the desktop, and there you go. You have your DLC folder in case you want to put in another game or whatever. So we go into the pillbox folder. We have the DLC, RPF. These are already set up. So I'm not going to confuse you with telling you about this, but it's already set up. So you go to x64, levels, GTA 5. So we have these two folders. They're both empty. And this is where we're going to be placing our information, our resources. So first thing I like to do is get all the metadata out the way. So what usually what I've noticed with going through other people's single player folders for those who created interiors for single player use, the files that are placed in the meta are the Y maps, YTDs, which are texture dictionary files, and the YTYP. There's another one, I think YDD files also go in here as well, but we don't have any in here. So those go into the meta. Everything else goes into Pillbox. There's also another file, manifest, which also goes into the meta. If there's more than one manifest, then you put one manifest into the meta and the other one into the opposing or opposite folder where you put your textures. So these are textures, YDR files. I'm going to put those in here, YDR, so YTD, that should be inside the other folder, YDR, and YBN files also go in here. So when you take a look at these icons, they should be similar, all like this. This type of icon, this type of icon, then you know you have those are textures, and that's in the right or corresponding folder, which is the whatever you name this .rpf. But if it's the name plus metadata, the file should look something like this, like these type of icons. Okay, then you know you have everything going right. So anyway, that's pretty much it. For this is a simple one. And the last but not least, okay, we're gonna go into mods, update RPF, common, data, and you want to add this new DLC to your DLC list. So all I do is copy the last one, copy, add it at the bottom, paste, and I'm just being lazy. I could have wrote it in, but I just do copy, double click, paste, Pillbox. Okay, so then we could close this out. We'll minimize this stuff, and we're gonna load the game up. All right, so I got my game loaded up, and like I said, I use menu just to teleport. So we're gonna teleport over to Pillbox Hill. Okay, we should be at the Pillbox Hill Hospital. And I can already see it from here. There goes the doorway.
Hey there.
All right, look at that. Okay, see? So unlike before, it's not in shambles in here. It's actually a clean interior. Okay, we can walk around. Yeah, there's another interior for Pillbox, which adds a lot of the rooms open. But the downfall with that one, for some reason, the resources do not work well with the outside exterior. So it was, messing up the exterior on the outside. But anyway, this is dope. So now I have Pillbox Hill interior. Yep, so some of the door, a lot of the doors don't open. It just repairs, but this is still good. It repairs the interior, and that teleports to the rooftop. But anyway, definitely good for some like single player role playing, going from one hospital to the other. Like I have Paleto Bay Hospital or Medical Center, and as well as I have one in, where's the other one at? One is in Paleto Bay, and the other one I think is in either Grapeseed or Yeah, I think it's in Grapeseed. Polito Bay, and I think one is in Grapeseed. But anyway, this is dope. So anyway, like I said, there's a few other maps that I've already done, a few other Fivem interior locations that I've done that work. So this is just a way for you to try it yourself. Try your, go through some interior Fivem resources. Let me know what you discover, and let me know down below in the comments. And I should be doing another tutorial coming up soon about how to add police station locations and arrest drop-off locations. So if you want to be notified about that, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, comment below. Let me know what you think. And get at me. Let me know what's happening, all right? But Elliot Grinch signing off with another LSPDFR GTA 5 tutorial, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Be safe.